Tired of manually invoicing every single customer? Let's streamline your Shopify store by securely adding a credit card as your primary payment method. This will make accepting payments a breeze. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Then, look for the settings option in the bottom left corner of your screen and click on it. In the settings menu, find and click on payments. This will take you to the payment settings section. Under the payments section, locate Shopify payments. If it's already activated, you'll see your current settings. If not, it will prompt you to choose a provider. If you haven't already set up Shopify payments, follow the prompts to activate it. You'll need your business and bank account details handy. Once Shopify payments or your chosen payment provider is active, click on Manage to access the payment settings. Look for the section related to bank account and credit cards, payout details, or something similar, depending on the provider. You'll see fields to enter your credit card information. Carefully enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Ensure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues. Finally, click on the Save or Update button to save your credit card details. Shopify uses secure encryption to protect your financial information. And that's it. You've successfully added a credit card as a payment method in your Shopify store. Now, you can start collecting more sales quickly and efficiently.